Before buying Zendesk, there are a few crucial things you need to know to make sure it's the right fit for your business. In this video, we'll explore 7 key things about Zendesk that will help you make an informed decision. Stick around until the end because we'll also discuss how it stacks up against some of its competitors, and you might be surprised by what you hear. Plus, you can try Zendesk for free through the link in the description below, so don't miss that offer. First up, Zendesk is all about customer service and support. It's one of the leading platforms for managing support tickets, offering a range of features like live chat, email, and phone support. One thing you should know is that while Zendesk offers great flexibility in how you can interact with customers, it may not be as intuitive for beginners as some other platforms. Unlike platforms like Freshdesk, which are known for their simplicity, Zendesk can require a bit more setup and customization to really make it work for your needs. Next thing, Zendesk excels at scalability. Whether you're a small business just getting started or an enterprise with thousands of customers, Zendesk can grow with you. Its tiered pricing plans allow you to add more features as your business grows, which is something that sets it apart from other customer support tools like Help Scout, which is a bit more limited in terms of customization and scaling. However, with that scalability comes complexity, so if you're not familiar with setting up complex workflows, it could take some time to get used to. The third thing is Zendesk's integrations. This platform is highly customizable and integrates seamlessly with a wide range of third-party applications. From CRMs like Salesforce to social media tools, you can connect it to almost anything. But compared to other competitors, like Intercom, which is often praised for its smooth user experience and simple integrations, Zendesk might require more time to set up these connections effectively. Next thing, reporting and analytics. Zendesk offers robust reporting features that help you track support metrics, customer satisfaction, and team performance. This is a massive advantage if you want to make data-driven decisions about your support strategy. However, some users complain that its reporting isn't as user-friendly or as visually appealing as something like Zendesk, which offers a more intuitive reporting interface with drag-and-drop capabilities. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the pricing structure. Zendesk's pricing can get pretty expensive, especially when you start adding extra features. While it offers a free trial, many of the advanced features like automation and premium support are reserved for higher tier plans, making it less ideal for small businesses with tighter budgets. In comparison, platforms like Freshdesk offer a lot more in their free tier, making them a more affordable option for smaller companies. The sixth thing is its customer service. Zendesk is known for offering excellent support to its users. You'll have access to 24/7 customer service through multiple channels. However, some users have pointed out that it can take a while to get responses when your account is on a lower tier plan, which might leave you frustrated if you need help urgently. Competitors like LiveAgent, on the other hand, are often praised for their faster response times, even for customers on basic plans. And finally, the last thing to consider is the learning curve. While Zendesk offers a ton of features, you might find yourself overwhelmed if you're new to customer support platforms. It can take some time to learn how to navigate the platform and get the most out of it. But once you get the hang of it, Zendesk becomes an extremely powerful tool for streamlining customer service. If you're looking for something that's easy to pick up right away, you might want to check out alternatives like Help Scout, which is more user-friendly. If you're still on the fence about whether Zendesk is right for you, don't forget you can try it completely free from the first link in the description below. By using the link, you'll also get some exclusive benefits, so be sure to take advantage of that. In conclusion, Zendesk is a solid choice if you're looking for a comprehensive and scalable customer support solution, but it's important to be prepared for a learning curve and potentially higher costs. Make sure to weigh it against competitors like Freshdesk, Zendesk, and Intercom to ensure you're choosing the best option for your needs. If you want to give Zendesk a shot, click the first link in the description to access the best free trial and unlock some special perks.